The driver jumps out of the car and charges straight at the biker. Meanwhile, in the middle of the road, a terrifying explosion of rage unfolds.
Right here, bitch. I got this shit, dude.
These were the most intense moments of this video. It started when a woman cut right in front of the biker, and right after that, everything exploded.
Hey, what's your issue? What's your issue?
You cannot go to the
I am on a bike, you dumb.
You cannot
I am on a bike.
And
Thank
cover
you,
all the
goofy.
cars.
You.
I'm gonna call my friend.
You call your friend. Call your father, you dumb.
You cannot.
Call your dad. I don't give a you.
Behind every fucking car.
Do something
Make
about
a
it.
fucking
Do
rules
something.
of the
You be on YouTube
I
later,
don't
you dummy.
care.
You be on YouTube.
Good.
You be on
Good.
YouTube.
Good.
I got your
Because
plate
you're
too,
the
you
one
dumbass.
that's-
Road rage ignites as the biker and the driver argue while moving through traffic. The driver pulls ahead and stops. Seconds later, the biker charges toward the car. This is where everything explodes. Watch till the end. The driver claims the biker flipped him off, sparking an instant argument.
What's up?
What's up, bro?
Hey, yo,
What is it?
What?
You flipping me off and shit? What, you
Oh,
think
no,
you're
I
cool?
wasn't,
What, man?
I wasn't flipping you off.
No, get the fuck on.
I wasn't flipping you off.
This is only the beginning. What happens in the next clips is even more intense, so watch till the end. Riding straight on the highway, the biker didn't expect it. A pickup merged in from the left. That moment sparked the argument.
What the What the
Where are you going?
You're in the middle of the road.
No, it's a U-turn.
Then wait. Then wait.
Hit my truck again.
Dumb fucking dumbass, dude. What the fuck?
You want to ride your
Right here. I got this shit, dude.
camera? Take your camera. You hit my truck.
Because you almost killed me.
Watch where you're going.
I'm going straight.
And I was making a U-turn.
Then stop.
A group of bikers rode down a back road. Suddenly, a driver blocks their path, swinging a stick. Chaos erupts in an instant.
Yo, you bugging. Ow! You're crazy. You hit me in the head.
Always stay alert and keep a safe distance. Road rage can happen in an instant. The biker jokingly flips off the car ahead. The car stops and the driver rushes toward him. In traffic, a sudden road rage breaks out between a woman driver and a biker. Watch closely to see what happens next.
Dude, we were stopped.
I know. I looked down. It was my fault.
Well, you need to look up and pay
I'm
attention to what the
sorry.
you're doing, you know?
I'm so sorry.
Damn, man.
Stopped at a red light, the biker was just about to move ahead when a car suddenly cuts right in front. They come to a halt and tempers flare instantly.
¿Cómo tú te atreves a tirarte así? ¿Cómo te atreves a tirarte? Eso es un pare, anormal. Eso es un pare.
Vengo a la derecha.
Eso es un pare. No importa, está guiando mal. Eso es un pare. ¿Quieres que te enseñe el video? Para que veas lo anormal que guiaste. Dale.
Stay tuned. This is just the calm before the storm. Moments later, the real confrontation begins.
Te voy a enseñar la normalidad que hiciste. Allí allí se supone que tú pares. Allí es un pare. Allí es un pare. Tienes que parar porque la luz verde está a mi favor. ¿Ok? Te tiraste sin mirar. Te tiraste sin mirar. Te voy a enseñar. Vamos a hacer algo. Vamos a hacer algo. Vamos a hacer algo. Yo te enseño el video.
Look at this guy come back.
What starts as a simple warning on the roadside quickly turns into a heated argument. Egos clash, tempers rise.
We're off the side of the road.
Off the road so you don't get killed.
We're off the side of the road. Look, where's the line's right here.
Hey, I'm just looking out for you, man. There's big cars coming by. Why would you want to be that close?
Because this is the dirt and these are bikes. We're not on four wheels. We can't just go on dirt like.
How old are you guys?
Does it matter?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you act like you're in kindergarten.
You're acting like you're in kindergarten because you can't see that we're on the side of the road.
Just go, please. Just move on. We're adults. Just move on. You don't act like adults. You're parked right.
You're not acting like an adult right now. You're acting like a old bitch. Now get out of here. F you. Get out of here. F you.
Keep your cool. Road rage can put everyone at serious risk. If you enjoyed this ride, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe now for more crazy road moments and check out the end screen for the next video.